what do we see when we take a look at the first all-electric Audi? These 4 horizontal strakes, and that's picked up here in this unique light signature, and here on these alloy wheels as well, the 4 strakes going down. Now, moving alongside the driver's door, you can see quite clearly some radical wing mirror design. For the first time in a production car, you've got the rear-facing camera as your rear-view mirror. And down here below the bumper, no exhaust pipes. Well, of course not. And that's because e-tron is 100% emissions-free. The 60-litre storage compartment at the front of the car. You can carry whatever cables you might need. On a longer journey, for instance, you can use the high-performance charging system. Now that'll put 150 kilowatts back into the battery in around 30 minutes. First thing you notice inside the e-tron is the quality. Everything is absolutely first class. A wrist rest, of course, just to make selection of everything a little easier. And this also is the shifter, because this is fully electronic. All you need is one little lever to change gears. And that means no gear selector and no transmission tunnel. So in here, room to charge all your devices. It really is a wonderful environment to find yourself in. Of course, the advantage of an electric transmission is noise, or rather the lack of it. And Audi has enhanced the silence in here with extra insulation for the cockpit and for the body to separate it from the road noise. As a result, you're cocooned in near total silence. Unless you turn the stereo on. The 3D effect of its Bang & Olufsen premium system with 16 speakers and a mere 705 watts of power, that's going to blow your socks off. Audi e-tron is not science fiction, it's science fact. The future has to be the present, just more advanced. And it is. As far as I'm concerned, e-tron is the start of a brand new era for Audi.
Thank you.